Hey, what's up, YouTube? I want to do a video on the Galaxy Z Fold3. Couple cases I've got for it. As you've seen in a previous video, that's a MagSafe sticker. Works great on your MagSafe phone holder, on the car mount phone holder that you can get from Apple. I had it with my 12 Pro Max and wanted to use it with this. And it holds it pretty sturdy with it closed or open. So really good sticker for the MagSafe phone car mount. I want to talk about the Samsung Flip case with the S Pen slot. You know, the S Pen slot is awesome on the case. I am not a fan at all of the flip cover. You know, I hate having to open it. You know, you try to take a picture, you can't, or you're one of those people that's taking a picture like this, or you're taking a picture like this. Either way, you're taking a picture with wide cover or a wide phone. So really don't like that about the flip cover. I mean, a lot of people are having this issue here. You can see sometimes when you sit it down, you know, they have it where it folds over. I mean, a lot of times when that happens, all I do is open my phone and close it again and it fixes it. But you know, I don't have that problem very often. I did get another case off Amazon. It's a clear shell case, which I prefer the shell case. I just need to find one that has the S Pen slot. And I know this is removable, the S Pen slot on the Samsung Flip case. So I don't know if I can get some glue and glue that to the side or what I'm going to do, but I need to do something because I can't continue on with the flip cover. It's not my style. If that's your style, awesome. If it's not, but it's not my style. So I did not bring anything. Oh, doesn't look like I need anything to open this. There we go. Let's see what we've got here. Comes in two pieces. The front, just a little piece of plastic. It's just like hard plastic. I mean, you can see it does flex a little bit on that side. Up and that side. It's a hard, flexible plastic. So the back of it, just as clear can be. You know, perfect slim fit case that I need for my use on the Z Flip. You know, I don't use it too much in rough situations, so I don't need like a nice big OtterBox or anything like that, OtterBox flip case cover. But let's see how this works. All right, snaps right on. That looks pretty sturdy. It's held in pretty good. It does have a lip over it, so you know, if you slam it down or if you drop it on its face, it does have a lip that's going to kind of keep the cover. Plus, I don't know if you can see or not, right there, there's a little notch, and there's a little notch up there that keeps it lifted as well. So take a look at this one. Put it on the right way. Again, put it on the right way. All right, there we go. Nice, clear, easy to use case. Doesn't look like it has anything for the S Pen to lock onto, so set this down. So if I did glue this, it'd be getting, yeah, that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna keep looking for, hopefully a third party comes out with a good case that has an S Pen. I've seen an S Pen slot case that somebody put on Reddit, but they complained about it not being sturdy and it's very whimsy and stuff like that. So we'll be waiting on a better one. But I do like this case. I can see myself sporting this case over the leather one for right now. I just miss not having the S Pen. You know how that goes. You'll have an S Pen and never use it until you don't have it anymore. Then all of a sudden you'll be like, wow, I needed to doodle, or I needed to do this or that, or write a note. But that's a quick video on the new case that I picked up from Amazon. Thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe.